Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for August 11 to 17, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading, and please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, so let's see. What are the energies for you, Sagittarius? Meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services. So kung gusto niyo magpa-private reading, this is the best time kasi 50% discount tayo. And paalala lang, itong reading na to ay isang general reading, so just take what resonates. Okay, Sagittarius, let's see what's the energy August 11 to 17. So this is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing. So it's time to explore, Sagittarius. Lalo na kung na-stuck ka ng matagal, no? Sa isang sitwasyon, sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, or parang you feel like walang nagbabago or walang nangyayari, no? So it's time to explore your options. Kasi meron kang option ngayon, nasa sayo lang yan kung paano ka magre-respond doon sa opportunity na yan for you. O ayan, no, you have the Two of Wands. So yung iba sa inyo, this is about traveling abroad or pagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa, kung yun na talaga yung gusto mo, no, na binabalak mo pero hindi mo magawa-gawa, then this is the time. You have the Queen of Pentacles. So may opportunities for you sa trabaho, sa career. Maaring mas magbibigay ito sa'yo ng pag-unlad, lalo na sa finances mo, sa career path mo. May establish ka, no, sa trabaho at career mo. Also have the Eight of Cups. So may ending. It's time to let go or release or tipong umalis sa isang sitwasyon na hindi na nagsiserve para sa'yo. Oo, so you are leaving a situation. This can be a career or business or your job, yung trabaho mo, or relationship that you are in, kasi nandun ka na sa point na you know what you want, you know, alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, you are willing to take the risk. And itong Hermit is about reassessing your plans, your goals, and with Judgment here, may rebirth, may pagbabago para sa'yo. Kumbaga, marami kang realization sa buhay mo. Alam mo na kung ano yung pumipigil sa'yo, alam mo yung mga blockages mo, and you are leaving that. You are releasing that, yung mga blockages na yan, and now you are ready for a new beginning. You have the Five of Cups as your overall energy. Maaring na dun ka pa rin kasi sa point na hindi ka pa makapaniwala na dapat mo na bang iwanan or let go yung mga bagay na hindi na nagwo-work para sa'yo. Yes, the answer is yes. Dahil may ibang opportunities na naghihintay sa'yo, na naghihintay na lingunin mo or pagtuunan mo ng pansin. What is the Five of Cups? You have the Four of Swords. It's time to, heal from that, no? Yung mga mistakes, yung mga decisions mo, yung choices mo sa buhay na alam mong hindi nag-work para sa'yo, yung mga regrets mo. It's time to heal. And I think yun na rin yung direction na tinatahak mo ngayon. Healing from your past. Your challenge is the Two of Pentacles. So maaring decision to pagdating sa kung ano yung ipa-priority mo. Ano yung mas bibigyan mo ng focus at attention ngayon. What is the Two of Pentacles? The Six of Cups. O energy ng past. Yung iba hindi pa ma-let go ang energy ng past. Maari kasing may fears, no? May takot na baka dahil hindi ka pamilyar sa mga bagong may experience mo, ay natatakot kang umalis doon sa comfort zone mo. But actually, yan yung pinaka nakakatakot, yung hindi tayo umaalis sa comfort zone natin dahil hindi natin na-explore yung iba pa nating potentials. Kasi meron kang potential marami, no? With the World, this is your opportunity to explore new possibilities. Lalo na kung may bala kang mag-abroad or lumipat ng lugar, lumipat ng bahay, or finally simulan na yung mga plano mo na hindi mo magawa-gawa. You have the strength card. So, meron kang confidence, lakas ng loob. Yun lang yung kailangan mo para mag-take ng risk to finally start something new and, magkaroon ng bagong experiences. Your blessing is the Page of Wands. This is the blessing of freedom. The blessing of discovery, exploration. Ace of Swords. So, this is clarity. Ngayon, maliliwanagan ka na at alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Gusto mo na excitement sa buhay. Gusto mo yung mga bagay na magpapalakas ng iyong interes sa maraming bagay. So, ngayon, you are exploring your options. You are exploring opportunities. Let's see sa money, career, finances for Sagittarius. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong talent and skills sa communication, public speaking, vlogging, content creation. So, yan yung inyong i-explore. Being more authentic sa inyong self-expression. Someone is also going to help you pagdating sa pera or trabaho or career path business na ginagawa nyo ngayon or pinupursu ninyo. So, don't worry. May assistance, may help. And then, let's see the love life. Love life energy for Sagittarius. Wait, new love. Okay. Okay, yung iba sa inyo medyo nasa complicated situation, no? Maaring merong person from the past na gustong bumalik or gustong ayusin yung relationship ninyo. Pero it seems na meron ng bago sa buhay mo. Pwede rin reversal yung role. Maaring ikaw yung gustong bumalik sa person mo, pero meron na palang bago sa eksena. So, kung ano man yung dahilan, bakit natapos, ni-let go yung relationship na yon, then maybe that's, kumbaga, yun yung talagang, dahilan na talaga para to let go of that or parang to move on and move forward, diba? Meron kasi may regrets dito. So, pwedeng ikaw yung nagre-regret na hindi mo naibigay yung best mo sa relationship na to. You have the Sun in Capricorn in 10th house. Ooh. May success in your career, in your business, yung reputation mo, and how people see you. Pwedeng meron kang award, rewards na matatanggap. Merong recognition for you. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga gagawin sa inyong kalusugan para mas maging maayos yung inyong physical, mental, emotional situation. Practicing self-love, self-care. You have Moon in Capricorn. Moon in Capricorn in the 10th house. Pagiging practical sa buhay. So, pagdating sa career path, trabaho ninyo, talagang nagiging maingat na kayo ngayon sa mga desisyon na gagawin nyo, tsaka kung ano yung ipupursu ninyo. Focus kayo doon sa kung alin yung mas realistic, mas practical, at mas magbibigay sa'yo ng magandang return ng investment mo. Kasi ang ini-invest hindi lang pera, effort, energy, ini-invest rin natin yan. Diba? You have moonstone cycles. Maaring may mga bagay na paulit-ulit na nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. If this is negative thing na paulit-ulit, then maybe kailangan i-reassess mo na yung situation kung ano yung dapat mong baguhin para ma-break mo yung cycle na yon. Also have joy. So this is happiness, contentment. You will experience happiness and contentment sa bagong opportunity na i-explore mo or sisimulan mo or ginagawa mo ngayon. You also have courage, which is lakas ng loob. Ayan. Sa totoo lang, kapag ang isang tao ay confident, may lakas ng loob, mas marami siyang mararating. So, if you are going to tap into that energy of your power, your courage. Nako, ang dami mong pwedeng ma-achieve sa buhay. Balance. Ask how to bring balance to the situation and into your heart. Ayan. So, maaring may mga decision making kang kailangan gawin na kailangan mong pag-isipang maigi. Na hindi siya pagiging judgmental but pagiging balanse or fair. Kumbaga, maayos na pagdedesisyon. And also, yung mga bagay na kailangan mo rin ng attention, bibigyan mo ng attention ngayong week na to para lahat equally divided yung energies na binibigay mo. So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.